I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're dealing with a transfer pending status on Freelancer, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review your transfer details. Double check the amount and recipient details of the transfer. A small typo can lead to a pending status. Step 3. Confirm your account verification. Make sure your Freelancer account is fully verified. Unverified accounts may experience transfer issues. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the transfer is still pending, reach out to Freelancer support. They can provide insights and help resolve the issue. Step 5. Wait for processing. After making any necessary changes, wait for a few hours. Transfers can take time to process, especially during peak times. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfer issue quickly. Good luck and happy freelancing!